Hi YouTube friends, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Bernice and you're watching At Home with Bernice. In today's recipe, I bring you guys tortitas de papa, which are a really easy recipe that you can have during this time. The tortitas de papa that I'm going to be making do have cheese in them, and you can choose any type of cheese that you want. Let's go ahead and start with the ingredients, and I hope that you guys can make them for your families. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and thank you guys so much for the ones that are older subscribers that are here and joining me in today's video. Don't forget to press like and share my video. Let's go ahead and start with the ingredients. Okay, and for my ingredients, I'm going to start with 3 rose gold potatoes, and you can select whatever potatoes that you would prefer or that you like. I'm going to be using just salt to taste. I'm going to be adding a little bit of breadcrumbs to my mixture with the potatoes after I boil them. I'll go ahead and show you how much I'm going to add, and this will just help bind the tortitas de papa. I'm going to use 1 egg, and this is just a large egg. I like to use queso fresco, but you can use any type of cheese that you would like, panela, or queso fresco or chihuahua, or any type of cheese that you would like. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the cilantro. I'm going to chop it up and add it to the potato mixture once I start making the patties. But let's go ahead and start with our first step, and I'm going to boil the potatoes with the salt, but I'm going to peel the potatoes and chop them up just to make it easier for them to cook, and they will cook a little faster. So I'll go ahead and show you. Okay, and I'm going to start off by peeling my potatoes. Okay, and then I'm going to chop them up. Okay, and then once you have them all chopped up, I'm going to be adding them to the pot with just some water. And I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt, but you can add salt to taste. And I'm going to go ahead and start with that, and then we'll taste it later and see if it needs more salt. And I'm just going to let these boil just for a few minutes, so I'll see you guys back in a few minutes. Okay, and then my potatoes have been boiling for about 20 minutes. I've inserted a fork and it seems to insert pretty easily, so I'm going to go ahead and let these cool down before I start mixing them up. Okay, and then I'm just gonna strain my potatoes just to help them cool down a little faster. Okay guys, and then once your potatoes have cooled down a bit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mash them with just a potato masher that you would use to mash your potatoes or even like your beans and stuff. And to this mixture, I'm going to add about 1/3 of a queso fresco, and this is a 10-ounce queso fresco, so I'm going to use about 1/3. And I'm just going to crumble it up. I'm also going to be chopping up finely chopped cilantro. And this is optional. For those of you that don't like cilantro, you can definitely leave it out. Going to add the 1 egg. And I'm going to use a couple of tablespoons of the breadcrumbs. And you can use any type of breadcrumbs that you would like. I happen to have the Italian breadcrumbs, so that's what I'm going to be using. And you just want to mix this really well. Okay, and after you mixed it, you just want to grab a little bit of the potato mixture and you want to start forming your patties. Kind of like that. With the amount of ingredients that I used, I was able to make 9 potato patties. It does depend on the size that you make each of your patties. So as you can see, this is somewhat about the size that I made mine. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a pan and I'm going to add some vegetable oil and we're gonna go ahead and fry these. Okay, and here's my pan. I'm gonna drop a little bit of potato in there, and it started to sizzle, so that means the pan is ready. Okay, I'm going to add my first one in. Okay, and then once they're golden brown like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out on a lined plate here with some napkins, and we're just going to let it drain out a little bit. And then while I continue turning the rest. Okay, and then this is what they look like, guys, and you can pair it with a nice salad. Let's go ahead and have our taste tester try this. Okay, and let's have my husband try these.
Mmm. Mmm. Very good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my video for more content. See you guys in the next video.